age where the youth faces an array of issues that affect our well-being and development. Issues such as anxiety is the constant battle of fear and overthinking. It holds back the youth from confidence and reaching their full potential. But we can rise above it by learning balance, practicing mindfulness, and creating safe spaces where everyone strives. As the youth, we're not just the leaders of tomorrow, we are the change makers of today. By working together, spreading awareness, and uplifting one another, we can create a bright future. For we are the youth, the fire that turns darkness into light, and the strength that builds a brighter tomorrow. Thank you.
Very well said, male candidate number 1. Partner?
Alright, good evening, female candidate number 2. Looking gorgeous tonight, can you share with us one beauty secret?
I'm so flattered that you compliment me tonight. The only secret I have is to love yourself and be yourself.
Okay, very well said. So, I would like to inform you that hindi pa muna ang imong question. So, can you pick a word, candidate number 1? Candidate number 1, you have picked the word early pregnancy.
Maayat-ayat gagabi igimban. I picked the word early pregnancy. Early pregnancy forces teenage to leave school and face responsibilities too early. That's why I support proper sex education and premarital sex education to help prevent it. Because according to Serizal, ang kita nga kabataan ang pag-asa ng kang bayan. Gani kita nga mga kabataan, mangin responsable kita sa aton action kag choices sa aton kabuhi. Rakagid niya salamat. Mayada gabi imban.
Okay, very well.